Hey, what's up, guys? Today we'll be talking about the Government of Ireland's International Education Scholarships. Now, the Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship will be awarded to international students from non European countries looking to study in Ireland for up to 1 year. That is, if you're someone who's already studying bachelor's in Ireland, you're eligible to apply for it in your final year. Or if you're someone who is going to study masters, who has already taken admission in masters, can apply for this scholarship. Now, the students who get awarded this scholarship can enjoy benefits up to 10,000 euros in scholarship fund. This fund can be utilized towards education as well as towards the living expenses. So you can either pay your fee with it, or you can use that money to pay for your living expenses as well. And there are up to 60 such scholarships that are awarded each year. Now for 2021, the applications are already in process, so you might want to check the link in the description and put your hat in the ring. It might be a little late, but if you're someone who's going to start in the year 2022, then the applications would be open again next year. They usually close the applications for this scholarship around June, mid-June. So make sure that you apply for it. But getting a scholarship is not very simple. You would be competing with a very high number of students, with a very high number of talented students. And there are certain requirements that you should be able to fulfill to get this scholarship. So each individual application would be evaluated based on 100 marks. 100 marks divided into different criteria. Criteria such as academic qualifications, achievements, and or work experience, that would hold about 40 marks. Personal statement. Applicants will be required to demonstrate benefit of becoming a scholar to themselves, to Ireland, as well as their country of origin. That holds about 15 marks. How the applicants will extend their expertise and knowledge to help the Irish society in order to maximize their academic and cultural exchange. This will hold about 15 marks. The extent of long-term interest of students in Ireland, and how they'll promote this scholarship a scheme to other students. Other than that, you would have to submit two references. It would be two reference letters describing you and why certain people want to recommend you, which again holds 15 marks. So the evaluation criteria is very simple, and you have to submit everything in writing. You just have to demonstrate your abilities in writing, which I think it's not that difficult. Now, as I was speaking earlier, that this scholarship is usually awarded to people who display excellence in certain fields. So that would be excellence in academics, personal, professional, and their creative acumen, excellent communication skills, extra curriculum activities, for example, humanitarian work, politics, local or national, international, arts, sports, etc. And they must possess strong rationale for pursuing their study in Ireland that indicates how Government of Ireland international education scholarships fit into their long-term goals. Eligibility for applying is pretty simple. You should have an offer letter from one of the institutes here in Ireland. Here is the list of all the eligible institutes from which you should have an offer letter. So almost all of the third level institutes from Ireland are mentioned in this. However, this is a list for this year. It is published every year. So in 2022, again, it will be published, and some names may be added, or may even be scratched off. So that was all about the eligibility. Now here are some other things that you should know. Let me touch evaluations, for example. Now, minimum threshold for consideration of your application is 60 marks. So from all the evaluation criteria that I just told you, your academic excellence, your personal statement, and reference letters, and all those things. So you should score minimum 60 out of 100 to be considered for these scholarships. However, only 60 such scholarships are being offered, and the top 12, that is 20% of the total scholarships, will be granted to those who score the highest number of marks. So the first 12 will be depending on the merit of the scores that they get, and then the remaining 48 scholarships would be decided again based on different criteria and not just their score. Now, this could be the institute from which you hold the offer and the field of study. For example, if you're doing a course in business management compared to a course in biotechnology, so biotechnology would get more marks in this case. also the reputation of the institute that you have the offer letter from. Do you hold an offer letter from a private college, or is it from a university or an institute of technology or a technological university? So all these three hold more percentage of marks compared to private colleges. However, like I said, the field of study is much more important in this case. Then the potential benefit that the country of origin of the applicant may enjoy if a student from that country is offered this scholarship. But these are the social and political situations in that country and the infrastructure that is available in that country that are taken into consideration. So if a student has shown excellence in an oppressed environment, then it really shows their true talent, and they can also go back to their country and spread more awareness and spread the knowledge that they've gained in Ireland. So these are some of the things that are considered when these scholarships are awarded. However, I would suggest that if you are multi-talented in sports, arts, you have good academics, then I would say throw your hat in the ring and see what happens. The applications usually start around February, March, and they close pretty early by June. I think they might have already been closed for 2021, but like I said, these scholarships are offered every year because it's part of the government of Ireland's vision for development of higher education in Ireland. Anyway, just check out all the links in the description and read more about this scholarship scheme, and have a good day. Bye bye.